Hi, my name is Tzvi Sheinbrun, and I'm a lawyer. And today I will try to explain what is the difference between debt consolidation, or negotiation with your debtors, and bankruptcy. So, first of all, bankruptcy in Israel is completely different from the United States. It's nothing near Canada, nothing near, or nothing near what happens in England. Most of these places, I would call it a very easy process and much easier and faster than Israel, especially Canada, not in Israel. We don't have chapter 7, chapter 11, chapter 13, forget it. We have one chapter. It's called Pshitat Regel. Now, a private person, and only a private person, can ask for Pshitat Regel, bankruptcy. A corporation, Chevra Ba'am, cannot ask for Pshitat Regel. All they do is ask to dissolve the company, the corporation. Now, you are a private person, you're asking now for protection. Yes, you're asking for protection. Protection from your debtors. Correct. After the court gives you that stamp that says, okay, you can start the process, it's very fast. No one can knock on your door anymore and says, okay, come with me, I take things from your house, I put a link in this, I freeze your account. Everything is stopped. You start a new page, not a very good one yet, because you have not been exempt from your debts. You're just starting the process. Remember, this is the first step. It could take between 2 and 5 years, sometimes 6 years. Mostly, I would say in 2-3 years, you can end 3 years, most certainly, you can end a case of bankruptcy. But each case is different. Now, a bankruptcy case doesn't mean that you'll be exempt and everything will be nice and everything will be fast. Not at all. Sometimes things can get very ugly. I will give you just a few examples. New immigrants, you have family abroad, you have parents abroad. But God forbid, one of them is very sick or passed away. Well, let me tell you something. If you don't have money or any type of guarantee and guarantors to leave the country, when you are in the process, you will not leave the country. I had too many cases where parents, one of them passed away, and the person even didn't get to the funeral. He never left the country until he finished the process. It says in Latin, we say, dura lex, sed lex. The law is harsh, but it's the law. So the protection the law gives you doesn't mean that it's a protection against the other people's right. Because if you leave the country without leaving here any security, any guarantee, guarantors, you may never come back. So the other person, the one that you have to pay him, may end up with nothing, losing all his money. So remember, there's always check and balances. The right of one person cannot go against the right of the other person. We balance the rights. Sometimes the balance is unfair. No one is looking for fair. It's looking to the letter of the law, to bind by the law. So you see that in a bankruptcy process, many things could go wrong. But if you do it right, you have the right lawyer, and you are cool, you're just calm, and during that period, you are just following the instructions, I promise you, doesn't matter who represents you, in a very short time, you have a chance to start a new chapter. I call this chapter 1 in life. It's a new chance. It's a new day for you. But in order to get to that point where you have exemption from all your debts, you have to follow the rules, to follow the law, and have a good lawyer to represent you. Have a good day. I hope you don't have any problem, any debts, or don't need a bankruptcy in the future. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day. Bye-bye.